welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video I'm going to be doing a fall look for you guys. I'm actually trying out a whole pile of new products as well, so I don't know if this video is going to go up or not. I may just take the clips and pop it into the videos where I do the unboxings of it, but I thought I'd film it all together just in case I did want to make a get ready with me out of it. So first up, I'm just going to go in with my Clinique Pep Star eye cream. So I have actually been doing loads of different Halloween looks and my eyes are very sore at the moment from having so much makeup on, taking it off. I'm having a bit of a breakout as well from so much makeup, so I'm just doing this look today and then I'm taking a few days break and giving my skin a rest. I'll probably do some self-care on my face, so lots of skincare, some masks and stuff, but I'm just going to go in with this eye cream because my eyes are so sore. So when I do my skincare at night time, I use my Dermalogica eye cream then. I've actually packed it because we're going away for the weekend, so I'm just going to use this one instead. I really like this one as well. It makes my eyes look good, and yes, you can use it on top and underneath your eyes. You don't have to just use it underneath. So I'm sorry if you can hear any background noise. My husband's watching TV whilst I get ready, because obviously, you know, it takes him 5 minutes to get ready. It takes me like 2 hours. And I also have my fan on because I'm having horrible hot flashes. So I just placed that all over my eyes. I'm just going to quickly do my brows and then I will come back and do my eyes once that's all dried. So I'm just using my e.l.f. brow pencil in taupe and my L'Oreal Plump and Set Brow Artist Gel. Okay, so I'm jumping into the Beauty Creations Hot Fire eyeshadow palette that I got in the Illumi box. So let's open it up and have a quick look. Okay, I'm going to go in with Toast to start off with. That's this colour up here. I'm just going to place that in my crease. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with Flames. It's this colour just here. So far, after using the first shadow, they are sticking really nicely to the Louise base and blending quite nicely as well. So I'm just putting Flames in my outer corner here and just packing it on. Just give me a bit of a smoky look. Just blending that edge out. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Ignite and I'm just going to use that on the rest of my lids. I'm just using the same brush, so let's see how this shows up. Oh wow. So I haven't wet my brush on anything and it's looking really, really beautiful, almost foiled. What I might do is I might take some of Smoke and just pop that on the outer corners as well, just to darken it up a tad. So it's blending in a tiny bit. And I'm just going to quickly take a wipe and just clean up my fallout and the edges. Okay, so I really enjoy this palette. It is definitely a full colour palette, so absolutely stunning. It went on really well. There was minimal amount of fallout and it blended really nice. It stuck to the P. Louise base, so I'm very happy with it. So now I'm going to jump into face, and then I'll come back and do my lower lash line. So I'm just going to quickly do my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer on my face, then my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation in, this one is 11 Vanilla, but it's now been renamed 110 Rose Vanilla, I think it's called. And then my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 12B Fair Beige. And then I'll set everything in place with my Nakia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. So I'll just speed through this so you don't have to sit here and watch it all. Okay, so I'm now going to go in with my Wet n Wild bronzer. This was in the Lumi box as well. So I'm just going to take one of the brushes that was in there as well from Opulent Beauty. And let's try this out. So it's not my favourite bronzer ever, but it's definitely really pretty. It's definitely a little patchy on the cheeks. So I'm going to jump into the Kenia Onto Eros Beauty Blush and Shine Kit now. And again, I'm going to use the brushes from Opulent Beauty here. So I think I might take this big one for blush, and then I'll use the smaller one for highlighter. So I think for blush I might take Gemini. It's this orangey one here, just because I am doing a full look, so I think that might be really nice. Now I haven't taken too much because I don't want to be way too over the top. So I've just built it up there. It's really pretty actually versus that side. I really like it going that side, it looks better. It's really pretty. Again, it doesn't blend super well. It is a little bit patchy in spots, and where you put it, it's sort of like stuck. But again, I'm not sure if that is from my dry skin at the moment, because it is very dry from all the looks I've been doing. But it still looks stunning, like only I can tell close up that it's patchy. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a light, this highlighter here, and the reason why I'm going for that one is because I feel like the other two are going to be way too dark for my skin tone. So I will play it safe and go with this light pinky colour. It is definitely beautiful. It's not like full on or over the top or anything. It is a really nice like shine from within. It's not like full of glitter or anything either. So that is nice for those that don't like full on glitter. Let's put some on my nose. And on my Cupid's bow. I really like the brushes. I think they're amazing face brushes, and I definitely like the palette. I want to play a little bit more with it, especially with the other colours as well. But from the first two shades that I've used in here, it's absolutely beautiful. I really like it. This side definitely looks way better. This one, like, bronzer's gone a little bit longer, but it looks really nice. So I might take a little bit of shine here. I'm just going to take a little bit on an eyeshadow brush and see if I can use that as a brow highlight. So it looks nice. It's not like overly dark. It definitely suits the eyeshadow. So it is really beautiful. Definitely love it. And just jumping back into the palette, I'm going to take Miami, this one here, and I'm going to use this in my lower lash line. So that Miami colour is really stunning. It's like a red, but like an orange, like a burnty orangey red colour. It looks really pretty on my lower lash line. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to jump into a Spark, which is this colour just here. It's very light. It does have a shimmer in it when I look in the palette. It's not like big glitter chunks or anything, just like a little bit of a shimmer. And I'm going to see if I can use this as my inner corner highlight. Alright, I really like the palette. It is absolutely stunning. I love the colours. It's definitely a full palette. They blended really nicely. They're not super duper patchy or anything like that. Stuck to the PLV's base. Not much fallout. It's not like wowed me over the top or anything like that. I am definitely more of a colours rather than a neutrals, but it's definitely a beautiful fall look. So I'm just going to set my face with my Matte Prep and Prime Fix It spray. I have it in my Flower Beauty bottle. So I'm just going to let that dry. We have a little guest behind us. Hi Evie. Evie. Baby. Hi. You say hello to the camera? Hi, camera. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Is you cute? Yes, you are, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, we're gonna go away for the weekend. Yeah. Mwah. Hi, so you wanna come say hello? Good job, Johnny. Hi, baby. You want to say hello to YouTube? Say hi. Hi, YouTube. Oh, do I like my makeup? Cheeky bugger. Are we going to go away for the weekend? Are we good, Grandma and Granddad? Yeah. Okay, so now we've just quickly said hello to the babies. I'm going to now pop my mascara on, so I'm not doing any fake lashes or any waterproof mascara today, and I'm not putting any eyeliner on just because my eyes are super duper sore from everything that I've been doing to them. Got this cool little tool that untangles your lashes, and it's been great for helping get the glue eyelashes, because I have a habit of when I'm cleaning my eyes wiping down and then wiping glue into my lashes. So it's been great. So I'm just using my L'Oreal Paradise Lash Primer here. And just going in with my Flower Beauty Warrior Princess Mascara. So the little tool folds up as well, so you don't hurt yourself, but it's really good for getting clumps out of your mascara too. So you can just run it through, and it just takes any clumpiness away and spreads them out more, which makes it look way better. And then I just wipe it off with a wipe between each use to make sure that any mascara or glue that might be in there comes off. So lucky last step, I am going to use the Fenty Beauty lipstick I got in the October Bella box. So it looks like this. I'm just opening it up. I'm not going to worry about lip liner. I'm just going to try and wing it with my lipstick. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it is absolutely stunning fall colour. I actually really like it on myself as well. It's a really pretty color. It's not something I would normally pick, but I really enjoy it. So this is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. If you're new, don't forget to join the family, hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. As always, thanks for watching, guys.